Hello everyone, welcome back to PM Academy. Today's topic is self-motivation is best for IAS preparation. Dear students, it is very interesting and also making you to laugh because self-motivation, how is it possible for the preparation of IAS exam? No doubt, because you are adult, you are senior students, already attended the age of 21 as you are preparing for the IAS exam. Still, you need the self-motivation. How is it possible? First is, dear students, self-assessment. First you assess yourself because you are going to appear the IAS exam. You do the assessment of yourself. You identify your the strong areas and identify your the weak areas. And when you identify your the weak areas, you try to overcome by some positive ways. You tell you just by taking the example of others how they have come across their the weaker areas, you try to overcome your the weaker areas. And dear students, when you know your the stronger areas, you try to make it more strong and more strong to stronger, because self-assessment means actually you have to identify two parts, your strong part and the weaker part to cover up and the strong part to be to strengthen more and more, to make the foundation of the stronger part more strong. Then after the self-assessment, dear students, you do the one thing. While preparing the IAS exam, next motivational part for you is study in pleasure. While preparing the IAS exam, don't come under any pressure. While you are preparing, choosing your the optional papers or collecting the books or buying the books from the market or the magazines, you everything do in the pleasure. While studying, while preparing the IAS exam, it must be in the pleasure. Otherwise, it is very painful for you because it is a long process, 1 year long process is there for the exam, and before 1 year actually you have to practice. So in this case, you have to develop your the pleasure. You have to develop a atmosphere of the pleasure for the study of the IAS exam. Then, dear students, while preparing the IAS exam, you just take a break. You don't go for the rigorous or continuous studies for the for 4 days, 5 days continuous. Only taking the sleep and the your the lunch breakfast. You go for the studies. You just take a break. You relax yourself. Watch the movies after end of every month or bi-weekly, and go for watching the sports in and out, or go for outing once in a month. So it can relax you. You can make your mental state healthier, and you can memorize more and more things. Then, dear students, evaluate yourself. You have to evaluate yourself very weekly, bi-weekly and monthly. You evaluate yourself weekly. After the end of every 7 days, you just evaluate what is your progress. Then bi-weekly you do the evaluations. At the end of the month, you do the evaluations. Then in this case, what happens? So you will come to know your the progress. In this case, actual you can know your the progress, and you can make just means you can also move as per your the timetable very perfectly. Then, dear students, make a chart for achievements. Means actuals, while you are preparing for the IAS exams, you have to make a chart actual for the achievements. Means even maybe a small ones, small achievement of yours, you just make a note of it. It is my the achievements, because that will give a spirit of encouragement for your the preparations. Then, dear students, actual, you make a friendship with the positive groups or positive. You develop a friend circle with the positive people. Means actuals, they must be positive, their outlook must be positive, they have to always talk in the positive. It will bring a very good impact upon you. Suppose in certain area cases or in certain times you are demotivated, they can also motivate you because they are positive people. So in this case, actual positive circle is must so far the IAS exam is concerned. Then, dear students, you know about the great personalities. You just try to know about or to read about the great personalities like the Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Gokhale, or Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, because you see actually how hardship they have faced and they have overcome all these things. So by this reading of the great personalities, that also motivate you, that give you some sort of inspirations for your the preparations. Dear students, so my request to you, if you are watching my channels, please like it. If you are fast viewer, please subscribe it. Before concluding, I just want to tell you one thing. Be yourself or push yourself means actual, be yourself positive and push yourself, because no one is help you to go ahead. Actual, no one is going to do for you, because you have to push yourself and you have to make the own charts to move yourself. So in this way, so dear students, I think that this motivational lecture will help you a lot. Thank you for today. Thank you very much.